Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look inspired by the Pantone Color of the Year Classic Blue. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to start with my eyes first, and I did my brows with the Cien Brow Perfect pencil and pen, or pen and brush and pen. And I'm starting by priming my lid and also a little bit of the under eye area with the Kiko Neutral Eye base. Blending it a little bit with the Jessup Concealer Buffer brush. Because blue is such a different color, I want to blend a little bit this area close to my brow with the bronzer that I'm going to use. That is the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer. That looks like this, and I'm taking the Jessup Luxe Soft Crease. So for this very blue look, I'm going to use the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive palette. That is this one. And I'm going to start by picking up this shade with the Jessup Luxe Crease brush. And I'm using this one as the real transition, always starting on the outer corner. And I'm also not going to worry by bringing it out like this, because on this side I just wiped the excess with a makeup wipe. And leave this kind of a gap between the eyeshadow and the brow, and that's basically where I put the bronzer. Now with the Luxe Petite Crease, I'm picking up this shade and I'm placing this one on my crease and a little bit more intense on the outer corner. Just taking again the previous brush, the Luxe Crease, with this shade to kind of blend a little bit on this top part. Now, for this blue, I am taking the Kiko eye brush number 51. That is a flat brush. And I am taking this shimmer. And I'm going to press it almost all over the lid, just leaving a little bit on the outer corner. And I'm not going to do a cut crease because I want this transition to be a more soft transition. And on this transition, I'm just going to blend it with the Luxe Petite crease. So I left this outer part, and now I'm going to take the Petite Eye Blender, and I'm going to take this dark color, and I'm really packing it on the outer corner, also blending it a little bit on top of the other blue. This will give the outer corner a very nice depth. Okay, and now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the Jessup Smudger brush, and I'm going to take this shade really close to the lash line and not going all the way to the inner corner, just stopping like here. And to blend this one, I'm going to take the Luxe crease and I'm going to pinch it, and I'm taking this shade. Now for this highlighter and also the brow bone color, I'm going to take the Jessup Luxe pencil brush, and I'm taking this shade. I'm using it a little bit more intense on the inner corner and then just a little bit on the brow bone. On my top waterline, I used black. I used the Kiko Everlasting Kajal, and on my bottom waterline, I used a blue. That is the Kiko Lasting Precision Eyeliner and Kohl in the shade 07. For my mascara, I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume, both on top and on the bottom, but if you do have a blue mascara, that will look absolutely beautiful on the bottom. Okay, and as I mentioned, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and removing some excess. Okay, now for the eyes, that is it. And there's pretty much nothing special about the skin. So I'm just going to do it quickly off camera. I'm using the Primark Vitamin Primer, the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, the Essence Camouflage Concealer, and the Kiko Invisible Touch Powder. Okay, so base is done, and now, as I mentioned, I'm going to use the Kiko Gold Waves as a bronzer. And I was thinking what would go well in terms of blush and highlighter with the blue, and for blush I am using one that is more of a brownie color. This is the Givenchy Le Prisme blush in the shade Fashionista Brown, and I'm mixing all the shades together. highlighter, I'm going to use the Soft Revolution highlighter palette. And initially I thought I would use the very light shade, but I'm actually going to take the gold. And with this eye look, if you want to go for a safe route, I would suggest a nude, like the Revolution Matte in the shade Chauffeur. It's very neutral and I think would go very well with this. But this is a Pantone Color of the Year thing, so I'm going with blue. This is the Kiko Instant Color Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 13. I guess it goes without saying that blue lipstick is incredibly hard to line, but if you want, you could do like I did and use a lip brush. And I'm setting this look with the Primark Fix N Perfect. Okay, so blue is definitely a color that I'm always a little bit scared to play with. If you are also scared to play with blue, let me know in the comments down below. But I think this look turned out really beautiful and I would probably wear the eyeshadow, probably just not with the blue lips, but I really love doing these inspired looks. If you liked this, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you would wear this entire look or not. And I'm also going to be creating a playlist for the Pantone Color makeup. It's going to be only a one time a year thing. So I've done this one, and last year I've also done one for Living Coral. I'll leave it up in the cards. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Thursday. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!